Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. Welcome to the sixth session of CMET Innovation and Entrepreneurship. In this session, we are going to discuss about entrepreneurial opportunities, attitude, traits, and tendencies. And the other topic is investment, angel investments, and VC fund system. Okay, so we are going to discuss about this. It is recommended that you make a note of all these important points so that you remember all of these and आपको उसका बार-बार you don't have to revisit the video to रिवाइज योर कंसेप्ट है ना. आपको अपने नोट्स रहेंगे तो आप फास्ट रिवाइज कर पाओगे. ठीक है. इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन अस फॉर सीमेट क्रैश कोर्स यू कैन जॉइन अस. वी प्रोवाइड क्लासरूम कोचिंग इन पुणे. वी प्रोवाइड ऑनलाइन कोचिंग all over India. Then if you want to purchase only recorded sessions, that can also be done. If you want to purchase only the books, we provide that too. And test series for CMET is also provided by us. All these sessions will be conducted by me and Aditya sir only. You will have maximum 15 students in one batch, be it online or in classroom. Post your exam, we will be providing you training for your VAT and PIS. Books which will be couriered to your office or to your home if you're not from Pune. Those books, they have more than 25,000 questions. Mobile app will be provided to you, which has again multiple questions. National level test series for CMET will be provided to you. One-on-one mock analysis, which is our USP. It will be provided here. We help students on one-on-one basis to develop their strategy. Okay. Then exam specific workshops. We conduct doubt solving sessions on every Saturday. You will be getting daily quiz on Telegram. Weekly GK videos like these will be posted for you. All important updates will be provided to you through YouTube. Okay. All these in the lowest fee in the industry. Classroom coaching, if you are from Pune, it will be for 10,000 rupees. Online coaching is for 8,000 rupees. Recorded sessions, if you want to purchase, it would be for 5,000 rupees. Books would be 2,000 rupees and test series would be 1,000 rupees. If you have joined any other institute and want to join only for one-on-one mock analysis, you can do that for 1,000 rupees only, in which 5 mock analysis will be provided to you. Okay. So let us start. First is entrepreneurial opportunities, attitude, traits and tendencies. मतलब एक entrepreneur में क्या क्या traits रहने चाहिए, क्या tendencies रहनी चाहिए, वो देखते हैं. So qualities of an entrepreneur: motivation, creativity, persuasiveness, vision, versatility, risk tolerance, flexibility, decisiveness, collaboration. ठीक है ना. ये सारे qualities एक entrepreneur में रहने चाहिए. So motivation: hard-working business owners are incredibly motivated to succeed. ठीक है. अभी यही सारी 9 पॉइंट्स का ब्रीफ में एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है कि क्या कहना चाहता है. मोटिवेशन मतलब किस टाइप का मोटिवेशन है ना. मतलब तुमको बिजनेसमैन बनना है, जिम करने का मोटिवेशन रहा, ऐसा नहीं है ना. तो जो मोटिवेशन मतलब जो पॉइंटर्स है उनका ब्रीफ में एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. So hardworking business owners are incredibly motivated to success. Adopting this mindset and being able to demonstrate your motivation to an employer is crucial. You need to bring enthusiasm to everything you do at your job. Fortunately, showing you are highly motivated is simple. Show your है ना. मतलब आप motivated हो, ये कैसे दिखेगा? Show up to work every day with a positive attitude. This is one among the top characteristics of entrepreneurship, है ना. मतलब मोटिवेटेड रहो, आगे वाले को मोटिवेट करो, है ना. तुम्हारे एटीट्यूड से समझ में आ जाना चाहिए कि तुम मोटिवेटेड. ठीक है. जान लगा के काम करो. क्रिएटिविटी: नो मैटर व्हाट इंडस्ट्री यू आर इन, एंटरप्रेन्योर नीड्स टू कम अप with out of the box ideas. They should be able to not only carry out assignments but to also come up with better ways of doing things, है ना. सिर्फ एक सर्टेन टास्क है वो कंप्लीट करना, यही काम नहीं है. उसमें और कुछ बेटर तरीके से उसको कर सकते हैं क्या, ये भी सोचना. That's why it's important to be creative, to always be thinking of new ways you can improve your company's workflow productivity. ठीक है. Next is persuasiveness. Persuasiveness can make you a better negotiator, which gives you an edge when going after a plum assignment. ठीक है. You है ना, मतलब परसुएसिवनेस रहा तो नेगोशिएट आप अच्छे से कर पाओगे, यू विल बी एबल टू नेगोशिएट बेटर. There will come a time when you need to convince a client, a co-worker, or your investor to take certain actions. So you need to be persuasive when presenting your ideas. ठीक है. Next is vision. Successful entrepreneurs always keep one eye on the big picture, and this ability can make you better employee. Vision is primarily about strategic plan. Can you see what direction the industry is going? Can you identify the challenges of a company? Can you tackle your day-to-day job responsibilities while staying focused on long-term goals and initiatives? है ना, तो proper vision रहना जरूरी चाहिए. Versatility. Although you started your enterprise with a specific set of skills, it's important that you can shift as needed. है ना, मतलब तुम अच्छा पढ़ाते हो इसलिए तुमने भी, अगर मैं बोलूं तो मैं अच्छा पढ़ाता हूँ इसलिए मैंने क्लासेस खोले. बट अगर कुछ शिफ्ट चाहिए इन द इंडस्ट्री, आई शुड बी रेडी टू डू दैट, बिकॉज बीइंग एन एंटरप्रेन्योर I have to make such certain changes because bigger goal is to make this company successful. ठीक है ना? So you want to be someone that your colleagues can go to in a pitch. So be prepared to tackle work that's outside your job description. Among the leading characteristics of entrepreneurship is being an early adopter of new technology and keeping your skills correct. The next is risk tolerance. Every entrepreneur wants to grow his business, and that involves embracing change. Translation, don't be afraid to take risk when pursuing new client, for example, or testing a new product. है ना, कोई नया क्लाइंट है उसको हम परस्यू करने को नहीं देखना है ना, पर टेस्टिंग ए न्यू प्रोडक्ट. अभी पहले क्लासरूम कोचिंग चलती थी, पेंडेमिक हो गया तो अभी जूम पे हम सेशंस लेने लग गए. सो दोस काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस आर नेसेसरी. नाउ देयर आर मेनी बेटर एप्लीकेशंस बेटर देन जूम, like TubeBuddy and ClassPlus, all those, है ना. So gradually we will be shifting there as well. तो वो टॉलरेंस आपका रिस्क का रहना चाहिए कि आपसे ये अगर आप करोगे तो कितना रिस्क उठाओगे एंड कितना नहीं. Then flexibility. Being an entrepreneur, you have to be able to adapt to change and solve problems as they arise. A good team player can shift their priorities to help out whenever the team needs assistance. Thus, flexibility means receptive to other people's needs, opinions, and ideas, and being open-minded to fit. Then, decisiveness. Do you exercise sound judgment? Do you exercise sound judgment under pressure? When you are an entrepreneur, you don't have room to procrastinate. You have to be comfortable taking action when needed. This means knowing how to prioritize tasks and make decisions quickly. ठीक है ना, तो डिसाइसिवनेस मतलब आप प्रॉपरली प्रायोरिटाइज करनी चाहिए अपने टास्क को, कौन सा चीज ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन सी लेस इंपॉर्टेंट है. उस हिसाब से आप अगर अपने टास्क ऑर्गेनाइज करोगे, प्रॉपर डिसीजंस लोगे, इट विल बी अ बेनिफिट फॉर योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, है ना. डिसाइसिवनेस, इट आल्सो हेल्प्स इन बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. देन कोलैबोरेशन. Savvy entrepreneurs are not only brilliant leaders but also great collaborators. You have to be an effective team player. You have to be an effective team player. Okay. Ultimately, using entrepreneurial skills at work entails adjusting to other people's work style, avoiding office politics, celebrating your success, meeting your deadlines, and putting your company's goals first. ठीक है. अभी चलते हैं नेक्स्ट. इन्वेस्टमेंट. जो एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स VC फंड सिस्टम है, क्या है वो देखो. What is an angel investor? An angel investor is typically wealthy individual who provides capital to startups in exchange for equity. है ना, मतलब for example, Ratan Tata might be a very big angel investor. If he likes the idea, he will invest in it before even in the ideation stage. So these kind of investors tend to support early stage startups, ones that aren't in a place to appeal to a wider base of investors quite yet. है ना, मतलब बड़े बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स को या फिर VCs को वो जो फंड मांगने नहीं जा सकते, वो लोग एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स के पास जाते हैं. एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स जनरली लुक फॉर प्रॉमिसिंग स्टार्टअप्स इन देयर सीड और सीरीज A राउंड्स ऑफ फाइनेंसिंग एंड ऑफर दोज बिजनेसेस इंजेक्शंस ऑफ मच नीडेड कैपिटल टू हेल्प get them off the ground. ठीक है. How does an angel investor work? For most early stage startups, angel investors represent the bridge between self-financing or sourcing funds from friends and family and receiving investments from established venture capital firms. Angel investors typically have high net worth and extensive business experience that they can leverage to help the companies they fund. है ना, मतलब वो सिर्फ पैसा ही नहीं देते, उनके एक्सपीरियंस भी काम में आता है, उनका कनेक्शंस भी काम में आते हैं. Once they have invested in a startup and received their appropriate equity, they usually assume an advisory role for the organization's leadership. है ना, मतलब एंजल इन्वेस्टर ऐसा कि भाई फिर वो एडवाइस लेने के लिए आप जा सकते हो उसके पास, जनरली वो काम नहीं करेगा, है ना. In most cases, they invest in industries they are familiar with, a trend that can make them excellent networking resource for startup. है ना, मतलब अभी फॉर एग्जांपल टाटा मोटर्स विल इन्वेस्ट इन इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स स्टार्टअप, क्योंकि वो सिमिलर इंडस्ट्री है एंड उनके उसमें अच्छे खासे कॉन्टेक्ट्स है, ठीक है, एंड इसका बेनिफिट वो स्टार्टअप को मिल सकता है. They are often well connected and can refer founders to other private investors as their businesses mature. Now, pros and cons of working with angel investors. So, pro है, it's relatively low risk. Unlike loans, angel investment don't have to be paid back. If you land an angel investment, you are essentially staking your credibility and reputation on how far you can take your business, but you are not incurring much financial risk. Then what are the cons? You forfeit some control of your business. Angel investors aren't fronting you capital for nothing. है ना, कुछ तो बिजनेस, कुछ परसेंटेज इक्विटी आपको देना पड़ेगा, है ना. शार्क टैंक अगर आप देखते हो तो काफी सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपकी क्लियर होते जाएंगे यहाँ पे. दे टिपिकली अज्यूम, है ना, जो शार्क टैंक में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, दे आर एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स, ठीक है ना. वो तभी की तभी उनको आइडिया पसंद आया, जो बिजनेस करने वाला इंसान है वो पसंद आया, दे इन्वेस्ट इन दैट. They typically assume some degree of ownership or equity in your startup in exchange for their investment. So if you take an angel investment, you are expected to cede some control of your company, and the stake you offer your investors might be significant enough to have some major implications on your ability to run your company as you see fit. है ना, मतलब उनके आइडियाज, अभी वो अगर सपोज करो कि 10% पे अगर कोई मेरे पास आ गया, 10% इक्विटी ले लिया मेरे को कुछ अमाउंट देके, now he will also have say in the operations and running of the business, which may not be appropriate or which may not be in line with your thinking. ठीक है, और प्रोस क्या रह सकते हैं? दूसरा प्रो रह सकता है, एंजल इन्वेस्टर tend to be business savvy. Many angel investors were successful business people in their own right. They are typically seasoned, sensible, and smart enough to have amassed enough money to put capital for startups. If you take their investment, you can leverage their knowledge and business acumen in the form of actionable advice and guidance. है ना, तो वो जो गाइडेंस करेगी, वो मतलब बड़ा आदमी है जो एंजल इन्वेस्टर है, तो वो जो गाइडेंस करेगा वो आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल रहेगा. That can come in handy when you hit snags or deal with growing pains. ठीक है, then what are the cons? You ultimately have to pick some of your profits. Obvious as this might sound, it's still worth pointing out, an angel investment isn't free funding. If your business goes the distance and starts to turn a profit, you're going to have to kick some of that money up to your angel investors based on how much equity you gave them for their initial investment. Then अगला प्रो क्या रह सकता है? एंजल इन्वेस्टर often have a personal stake in your success. Angel investment are financial transactions that often have a personal edge to them. Your investors want to see you succeed for both your sake and theirs. That's why many are willing to be a valuable resource to help put you in touch with the right people and navigate the murky waters of startup life. Then the cons. Angel investors often have personal stake in your success. Though an angel investor's personal investment in your business is often beneficial, it can also be smothering. Some investors take an approach that's a bit hands-on that certain founders would like. You want your angel investor to offer यू एन अप्रोप्रिएट बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रस्ट एंड गाइडेंस, है ना, मतलब मेरे को किसी ने पैसा दिया तो इसका ये नहीं कि मेरे के ऊपर वो वॉच रखेगा, ऐसा गाइडेंस करेगा, ठीक है ना, प्रॉपर एक बैलेंस रखना पड़ेगा कि भाई मैं काम करूंगा. इट कैन बी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग इफ दे ओवरडू देयर लेटर, ठीक है. देन व्हाट इज वेंचर कैपिटल फंड एंड वेंचर कैपिटल फाइनेंसिंग. नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे आ गया अभी वेंचर कैपिटल. वेंचर कैपिटल इज अ प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट मेड टू स्टार्टअप कंपनीज एट अर्ली स्टेज, है ना, ये एंजल इन्वेस्टमेंट के आगे चल चुकी है अभी वेंचर कैपिटल. तो वेंचर कैपिटल फंड्स आर द इन्वेस्टमेंट made by the investors who seek private equity stakes in small to medium businesses which have a potent enough to grow. These investments are generally high risk, high return opportunities. The ventures involve risk in the expectation of sizable gain. The people who invest this money become the financial partners, are called venture capitalists. Venture capital is the most suitable option for funding a costly capital source for companies. So what are the types of venture capital financing? The various types of venture capital financing are classified based on their application on various stages of business. The three main types of venture capital financing are, तीन main हैं venture capital financing के, वो है अर्ली स्टेज फाइनेंसिंग, एक्सपांशन फाइनेंसिंग एंड एक्विजिशन फाइनेंसिंग. अर्ली स्टेज में जो फाइनेंसिंग होती है ऑब्वियस सी बात है. एक्सपांशन मतलब तुम्हारा एक सेट ऑफ बिजनेस है, अभी तुमको नए सिटीज में, नए ज्योग्राफीज में या नए इंडस्ट्री में एक्सपांड करना है, तो वो एक्सपेंशन फाइनेंसिंग एंड एक्विजिशन फाइनेंसिंग. तुमको तुम्हारे कॉम्पिटिटिव को एक्वायर करना है तो वो एक्विजिशन फाइनेंसिंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ वेंचर कैपिटल फाइनेंसिंग इज डील ओरिजिनेशन, स्क्रीनिंग, इवेल्युएशन, डील नेगोशिएशन, पोस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्टिविटी एंड एग्जिट, है ना. तो ये 6 स्टेप प्रोसेस है एंड वेंचर कैपिटल फाइनेंसिंग की. तो डील ओरिजिनेशन. Origination of a deal is the primary step in venture capital financing. It is not possible to make an investment without a deal. Therefore, a stream of deal is necessary. However, the source of origination of such deals may be various. One of the most common source of such origination is the referral system. In referral system, deals are referred to the venture capitalists by their business partners, parent organizations, friends, etc. And the venture capital को वेंचर कैपिटल के कैपिटलिस्ट के पास अपने को डील तो रखनी पड़ेगी ना, उसको पता कैसे चलेगा कि आइडिया कैसा है, पूरा है नहीं है ना. एंड ये जनरली मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम ये रेफरल सिस्टम से होता है. नेक्स्ट इज स्क्रीनिंग. स्क्रीनिंग इज द प्रोसेस बाय व्हिच द वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट स्क्रूटिनाइज ऑल द प्रोजेक्ट्स इन व्हिच ही कुड इन्वेस्ट, ठीक है. द प्रोजेक्ट्स आर कैटेगराइज्ड अंडर सर्टेन क्राइटेरिया सच एज मार्केट स्कोप, टेक्नोलॉजी or product, size of investment, geographical location, stage of financing, etc. For the process of screening, the entrepreneurs are asked to either provide a brief profile of their venture or invited for face-to-face discussion for seeking certain clarifications. Then evaluation. The proposal is evaluated after screening and a detailed study is done. Some of the documents which are studied in detail are projected profile, track, record of the entrepreneur, future turnover, etc. The process of evaluation is a thorough process which not only evaluates the project capacity but also the capacity of the entrepreneurs to meet such claims, है ना. तो ओरिजिनेट हुई, फिर स्क्रीनिंग हुई ऊपर से, फिर इवेल्युएशन हुआ, प्रॉपर बैकग्राउंड चेक वगैरह किया, एंटरप्रेन्योर का प्रोफाइल चेक किया, फ्यूचर टर्नओवर क्या हो सकता है वो इवेल्युएट किया. फिर डील नेगोशिएशन. After the venture capitalist finds the project beneficial, he gets into deal negotiation. Deal negotiation is the process by which the terms and conditions of the deal are so formulated so as to make it mutually beneficial. Both the parties put forward their demand, and a way in between is sought to settle the demands. Some of the factors which are negotiated are amount of investment, percentage of profit held by both the parties, rights of the venture capitalist and entrepreneurs, etc. Post-investment activity. Once the deal is finalized, the venture capitalist becomes a part of the venture and takes up certain rights and duties. The capitalist, however, does not take part in day-to-day procedures of the firm. It only becomes involved during the situation of financial risk, है ना. मतलब जो venture capitalist है वो हर एक चीज में नहीं इन्वॉल्व होगा, जैसे हमारा एंजल इन्वेस्टर में भी था। The venture capitalists participate in the enterprise by representation in the board of directors and ensure that the enterprise is acting as per the plan. Then the exit plan. The last stage of venture capital investment is to make the exit plan based on the nature of investment, extent and type of financial stake, etc. The exit plan is made to make minimal losses and maximum profits. The venture capitalist may exit through IPOs, acquisition by other company, purchase of venture capitalist share by the promoter or an outsider. है ना? There are certain exit plans also जो venture capitalist एक सेट करता है, उसके लिए कुछ टाइमलाइन भी सेट करता हूँ, ठीक है? Advantages and disadvantages of venture capital financing. The advantages and disadvantages of venture capital financing are various. Some of the advantages and disadvantages are given. The autonomy and control of the founder is lost as the investor becomes a part owner. है ना? तो ये disadvantage हो गया कि यार तुम पहले अपने हिसाब से काम करते थे, अभी तुम you are answerable to that person as well. ठीक है? The process is lengthy and complex as it involves a lot of risk. है ना? एक तो सीधा सीधा 6-step process मैंने पहले ही बता दिया आपको, है ना? And this process evaluation को, screening को टाइम लगेगा ही ना, इसलिए it is a lengthy process. Again a disadvantage. Then the object and profit return capacity of the investment is uncertain. है ना? ये this is a disadvantage for venture capital, क्योंकि उसने तो प्रोजेक्शन किया है, एवेल्युएशन किया है कि यार 2 साल में ये 20 करोड़ की कंपनी हो जाएगी, बट क्या पता ना होगी नहीं होगी, ठीक है? The investment based on long term goals, thus the profit are returned late. ठीक है ना? तो प्रॉफिट जल्दी नहीं मिलेगा, टाइम लगेगा. Although the investment is time taking and uncertain, the wealth and expertise it brings to the investor is huge. है ना? Expertise जो आएगा investor का, जो wealth आएगा, जो बड़ा, it is going to be huge and it is an advantage for us. The sum of equity finance that can be provided is huge. है ना? Again an advantage. अभी एक disadvantage, सबसे major disadvantage, the entrepreneur is at safer position as the business does not run on the obligation to repay money, as the investor is well aware of the uncertainty of the project. है ना? Disadvantage advantage की बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? एंटरप्रेन्योर को अभी ये पैसा जो इक्विटी आया है, इक्विटी के बदले में उसने जो पैसा लिया है, इसको रीपे नहीं करना है ना? मतलब उसने उसके बदले में परसेंटेज दे रखा है, एंड अगर बिजनेस इज वेरी अनसर्टन, आगे चला नहीं चला, तो वो रिस्क नहीं है पैसा रिटर्न, ठीक है ना? सो these are all the details about financing and entrepreneurial traits and tendencies. ठीक है? तो इसके सब important points आप note down कर लो. If you want to connect with us, you can connect with us on any one of these 3 social media platforms or visit our website tarkashastra.co.in or send a WhatsApp message on any one of these 2 numbers. अभी आगे के 2 जो सेशंस रहेंगे, जो गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज के ऊपर रहेंगे, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज के ऊपर जो अगला सेशन रहेगा, एंड जो आपके बिजनेस अवेयरनेस के जो सेशन रहेंगे 3, है ना? तो आगे के जो 4 सेशंस रहेंगे, दे आर गोइंग टू बी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड दे आर आल्सो गोइंग टू गिव यू अ गुड रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ योर टाइम, है ना? जितना आप पढ़ाई करोगे उतने उसमें से आपको क्वेश्चन ज्यादा मिलेंगे. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग बिजनेस अवेयरनेस के ऊपर अच्छे खासे क्वेश्चन आए, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज के ऊपर भी 2-3 क्वेश्चन आने चाहिए, ठीक है ना? तो आगे के 4 सेशंस बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी रहने वाले, तो वो 4 सेशंस के ऊपर अपने को अच्छे से फोकस करना है. थियोरेटिकल पार्ट अभी काफी हद तक कंप्लीट हो चुका है, अभी जो प्रैक्टिकल या फिर रियल लाइफ में जो हो रहा है, जो एक्चुअल गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज वगैरह है, वो सब के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है? चलो, थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद.